Hi everyone, I'm Bayram, and I'm here to present to you PinPress, a shape-shifting tool that gives you 1,000 molds in one. Molds today only have one shape, so manufacturers need to buy lots of them. The plant I worked for at Procter & Gamble had to carry $1.6 million worth of tooling. Even worse, switching those tools was a very time-consuming manual process, costing us an additional $1 million every single month, and increasing the risk of physical injury to me and my coworkers. Our solution is PinPress, a shape-shifting tool that gives you 1,000 molds in one. It has a bed of pins that can form different shapes, letting you create molds on the fly. And you've already seen this concept before in the movies. In Man of Steel, Wolverine, and the X-Men. We are taking this concept and putting it inside molds. Here's what I mean. PinPress opens, forms the first mold. The part goes in, and it's shaped. Then it opens. It shifts into the next mold. The next part goes in, and just like that, you have two different parts. We just did the work of 2 molds in 15 seconds, something that would take a factory today up to 2 hours to accomplish. With PinPress, you don't have to buy new, expensive molds, and you don't have to waste your time switching them. You simply create them on demand. Our competitive advantage is that we've created very tiny motors that we can pack close together, actually letting us create a surface that can form different shapes. Our main competitors are traditional molds and dies, which only have one shape and cost you a lot in tooling inventory and in time spent switching those tools. We are a B2B OEM. Our product costs more than an individual mold. However, it saves you millions of dollars in tooling inventory and in time spent switching those tools. Our initial market is plastic extrusion equipment, worth $283 million in Canada. We will then expand to other manufacturing processes within Canada, and then to the US and Chinese markets, collectively worth over $500 billion. So, why should you, as a consumer, care about this? How many of you still go out and try on new shoes to see how they feel before you buy them? You do that because the shoes are made with a generic mold, without you in mind. Nike ID, for example, recognizes the demand for personalized products, but it's limited to superficial options like colors and patterns. But what good are a bunch of pretty colors if the shoes don't even fit you? With PinPress, every shoe you buy in the future will fit your feet perfectly because it will be custom made just for you. PinPress is the first step towards this level of personalization in everything that you buy. We are 4 nanotechnology engineers from the University of Waterloo. The 4 of us wanted to do something that would have a huge impact on society, much like 3D printing. We're doing this by making it affordable to mass produce highly personalized products. And we're asking you to join us. Help us create PinPress. Help us take manufacturing into the 21st century. Thank you very much.